my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like.
Hey, good morning TNC family. I don't know, we finna clean the car up. My cousin helped me out so much with helping getting the car fixed because my starter was acting up. So my cousin helped me get the starter fixed. Now we finna go clean it up because it was down for a minute. But I was thinking about that. You know, I've been seeing a couple of pranks on the YouTube route to drive through water, and I wanna take her to the car wash. I don't know if I'm gonna get her soaking wet, but I'm gonna let her window down. Fuck it, man. She can only get mad, right? That's what I'm gonna do, TNC family. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my little video. Thanks, Tone. I love you, cuz.
Pretty things, thick ways.
Maybe.
It's hot. I put this low or something. I'm hot.
I gave you $10 for this wash, right?
Yeah, that's what the receipt say, baby.
Go wash time. Go wash time.
When the last time you washed this car?
Oh man, like maybe about 3 months ago or something like that. What you think?
I don't remember. Hey!
Sorry.
Oh
shit.
my God! Look
Sorry.
what you did.
Oh shit! I had my hammer on by mistake.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, babe. Sorry.
It stink.
Oh my God! Let me get the paper towel.
Oh, I can't believe you did this. I really don't believe. Oh no, Yo.
Oh my God, babe. Sorry.
It stinks.
So sorry, babe.
The fuck is that? You don't even know what you put on me.
I had the window open by mistake. My finger was on it. I'm sorry. Damn. Ain't nothing happened.
Your phone wet, the cigarette wet.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright.
Oh, you don't know what.
Accident.
I got eczema, and if this shit make me flare up.
It's an accident.
Don't do that shit. I should open your fucking window. I wish I could. Babe, don't play with me.
Oh my God. Ready?
Stop!
Sorry, babe. Sorry. Oh my God. You act like you want to fight. Jesus Christ.
I'm wet.
I'm sorry, babe. It was an accident. It was an accident.
What's that stink? Babe,
Yeah.
are you crazy?
No, it was an accident. Wipe the car.
I wish I would.
Come on,
How you
babe.
accidentally press the damn
Oh, my
window
God.
down button? How's that an
Look,
accident?
let me show you. I had my finger over here, and all of a sudden, the shit just went down. I don't understand. That's just how it went, babe. That's just how it went, by itself. Oh, shit, they knew they went. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I don't know what happened.
Just a fucking joke?
Yeah.
I don't think it was funny.
It was just a joke, man.
So you recorded that?
Yeah, I did. Hey, TNC family. Gave her the water treatment because she get on my motherfucking nerves so much. Okay. So I had to put it on her
why
ass.
The car's wet. That stuff stink. Ew.
That's all right. We getting ready to clean it up.
You gotta Come here.
You want me to go where you?
Yeah.
Where else you want me to go to?
Where we have some space. Oh my God. Okay, look over there, babe. Over there.
Yeah,
We got space.
it's closed.
It's closed. Oh, you're right. I mean, it's closed, isn't it? Okay, well, over there. Okay. This nigga here, boy.
Thanks for watching, TNC Family. Like, comment, and subscribe. I got her ass.